Yo guys, welcome back to another video of the chemistry guide. Today we're going to be discussing the types of isomers. We have two types of isomers that we're going to be discussing today. The first one is structural isomers, the second one is geometric isomers. First one, structural isomers. It is another type of compound whose molecule has the same number of atoms of each element but with logically distinctive bonds between them. We're going to use the chemical formula to represent this. The four type of chemical formula in front of us is the American formula, molecule formula, condensed formula, and structural formula. These elements and their proportionals are in the compound. As you can see the structure in front of you. How do we represent the alkynes? Each alkyne has its own name. The first one goes with methane, the second one goes with ethane, the third one goes with propane, the fourth with butane, fifth with pentane, sixth with hexane, 7 with heptane, 8 with octane, 9 with nonane, and 10 with decane. As you can see, 1 carbon plus 4 hydrogen gives you methane, so each has its own way of representing the own formula. Now we're going to be representing the structural formula of butane. As you know, butane consists of 4 carbon atoms that are represented in red and 10 hydrogen atoms that are represented in blue. As you can see here, this is the structure formula of butane. Another way of representing the structural formula of butane is by connecting the last carbon atom to the middle atom. But both of them have 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. Now, what are geometric isomers? Geometric isomers are 2 or more coordination compounds which contain the same number and the types of atoms and bonds, but they are spaced differently. Now we're going to be describing the cis versus trans isomerization. As you can see, we have 2 covalently bound carbon atoms that are connected by 2 chlorine atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. If the 2 chlorine atoms are in the same level, they are called the cis. And now when we try to turn it opposite way, by turning the hydrogen atom down and the chlorine atom up, it's called the trans isomerization. Thanks for listening.